Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where we are going to teach you how to make these unique and amazing crafts. So here we have taken a sheet of paper, that too a glazed one or origami sheet of your choice, and then what you need to do, you have to fold the sheets in this manner and get them attached and arrange them in this position. You just have to make the birds look like this. Further, what are we gonna do? You just have to fold the paper like this, get them arranged in this manner, and now you have to get the lines and folds in this manner. Further, you need to get them arranged in this way and attach it in this manner. Now, what are we gonna do? You have to just get them arranged in this position, and now from top and bottom, you need to arrange it like this. Now, get them folded inwards, and now what we need to do, you have to just open it further in this manner and now attach it in this way. Now what are we supposed to do? You have from the middle, you need to create a pattern like this. Now just fold it in this way and open it like this, and you will end up getting a beautiful bird like this. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now what we need to do, again you have to get a sheet of paper, fold it in this manner, and now get it in the shape of a triangle, and now you have to arrange it in this form. Now what we need to do here, from both the sides you need to just fold it in this way. Isn't it amazing? Now what we need to do here, you just have to attach them in this manner and now fold it like this as we are doing here. Keep on proceeding in this way and let's see what are we going to get in the end. You have to get them arranged in this position so as to make a beautiful and lovely drawing like this. Further, what are we going to do next? Here, you need to just arrange the sheets again and get them folded in this manner. You have to get them arranged in this way, and now you have to get them involved in this position. Further, what we need to do here, you need to just secure it in this manner, and now with the help of black marker, you have to make the eyes look like this. Amazing! Further, what are we gonna do? Again, we have to get the sheet folded in this way and get them arranged in this position. Now, from the corners, you have to get the folds like this and get them arranged in this way. Secure them in this manner, and now from you have to get the folds like this. From both the sides, you have to get them arranged in this manner and arrange the beaks in this position. This is gonna look absolutely pretty.